excessive amount of stickers. Maybe the ones that I bought from online stores, ones I have received from my friends, the free printables from Instagram, or the ones I got off of Pinterest. I just really have too much. To be honest, I don't have a very organized stationery collection compared to other YouTubers. Growing up in an Asian household, we have a lot of empty ice cream boxes and Tupperwares that my mother keeps for some reason. That's where I keep all my stationery, and I just realized that it looks very unorganized. Now to show you some of the file folders I've already made before filming this. This is the first one I made out of experimentation purposes and, well, also boredom. It fits all of the smaller stickers that I own, like the daily like stickers that I printed off of Pinterest. You will also see the stickers I bought from Shopee from my recent video in here too. Surprisingly, they fit really well. The last few pages contain the alphabet stickers that I made for a video, and also a few more heart stickers. After that, that's it for this organizer. Now for this bigger one. I made this from my taller sticker sheets that wouldn't fit in the previous one I made. Here I have my Sumikko Gurashi stickers, Selmo, and then 6-sheet stickers that I bought online for a really good deal. The last one I have here is The Unexpected Child. I gave it that name since I wasn't planning on making a third, or a fourth, or generally an organizer for my memo pad. Either way, it still serves its purpose really well. Now for the actual tutorial. I made this with an old organizer that I had laying around my room. I took the biggest sticker sheet that I had and traced around it with a marker as a reference for the pages that I'm about to make, and also to make sure that all my stickers would fit. After I finished tracing over it, I cut the hardcover with a cutter, which was a bad move. As much as possible, do this in the safest way you can, preferably with scissors so you won't hurt yourself like I did later on.
I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away my pain, and you let me feel so safe and peacefully.
The next thing I did was I took the sheet protectors that came with the organizer and cut them into pages, using the reference I just made. By the way, I only used the bottom half of the plastic because the bottom part was sealed, and so were the left and right side of the plastic, making it easier.
Fall asleep again into your dusk and soothe my dark. To glow it out, I see the blue of your flowers inside.
As I said before, I only used the bottom half so I wouldn't have to place tape on the sides that were open. Make sure that your pages will have the bottom and right side sealed so your sticker sheets won't fall out of your sticker file.
You're the town of my dark.
You can make as many pages as you want. In my case, I made 15 of them. The next step is to staple all the pages you have together. Make sure that you're stapling the side that is open, and that all of your pages are facing the same way while being aligned. Cover, just use the reference that you had earlier. Trace it over the hardcover twice while leaving some allowance in between. This is so your pages won't bulge out anytime after you fill it in with your sticker sheets. I stapled all my sheets one more time to sort of bind them. Later on, I then stapled them into the inside of the cover of the file folder. If you don't have a huge stapler, you can place an eraser below the area you're about to staple down. It should work just as well. Push down all of the staples that are sticking out, and that should be the end of it. You now have a sticker file folder, and the last thing that you need to do is fill it in with your sticker sheets.